Understanding Bird Sanctuary, an English learning guide. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bird sanctuary. This is a fascinating topic that combines nature with language learning. Let's dive in and discover what a bird sanctuary is all about. A bird sanctuary is a protected area designed specifically for the conservation of birds. It's a safe haven where birds can live, breed, and thrive without the threat of hunting, habitat destruction, or other human-related dangers. Bird sanctuaries play a crucial role in preserving rare and endangered bird species. They are often equipped with facilities for bird watching and education, making them popular among nature enthusiasts and researchers. Bird sanctuaries are not just about protecting birds. They have a broader environmental significance. They help in maintaining the ecological balance and contribute to biodiversity. By providing a habitat for various bird species, these sanctuaries also support other wildlife and plant life, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. They are crucial in environmental education, offering a unique opportunity for people to learn about and connect with nature. Let's explore some renowned bird sanctuaries around the world. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in India, home to over 230 species of birds. Everglades National Park in the USA, known for its large variety of birdlife. Kruger National Park in South Africa, famous for its diverse bird species. Each of these sanctuaries offers a unique glimpse into the world of avian wonders. Bird sanctuaries are critical in the fight against extinction. Many species of birds are facing threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. Sanctuaries provide a place where these birds can be studied, protected, and sometimes even bred to increase their numbers. Conservation efforts in these sanctuaries can have a global impact, helping to preserve the planet's biodiversity. Thank you for joining us to learn about bird sanctuaries. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Bird sanctuaries are not just spaces for birds. They are vital for our planet's health and biodiversity. Remember, by understanding and protecting our natural world, we contribute to a healthier, more sustainable future. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.